Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by linking the form to a destination sheet so responses land where you need them. Open your Google form, then click Responses and hit the green Sheets icon to create or select a spreadsheet. Choose Create a new spreadsheet or select Existing to place the responses. Once done, make sure the sheet's name and tab are obvious for later reference. This first step makes data capture automatic and preserves timestamps and question headers for mapping into Excel. Now prepare the data for Excel. In the linked Google Sheet, clean column headers and remove blank rows so Excel imports neatly. This prevents misalignment. Download the sheet as an XLSX file via File Download, or set up a live sync using Microsoft Power Automate or Google Drive for desktop to keep files current. If you use OneDrive or SharePoint, store the workbook there to enable automatic refresh and smoother collaboration. Make sure column types, dates, numbers are consistent before continuing. Finish by bringing the data into Excel and automating refresh. In Excel, select Data Get Data to import the downloaded XLSX or connect to the OneDrive/SharePoint file for an ongoing link. Use Power Query to transform data and set refresh cadence, or create a Power Automate flow to move new responses instantly. Once linked, test with a sample submission and confirm new rows appear. If something goes wrong, check sharing permissions, file location changes, and data types. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.